Today we ask, why don't developmental students graduate? Hi, I'm Jenny Zhu.
And I'm Nate Dickmeyer, and we're from the LaGuardia Community College Office of Institutional Research and Assessment.
In many studies at LaGuardia, we found that high developmental need means low graduation rates.
We looked at first-time students in fall 2010 and tracked them over 6 semesters, dividing them into groups based on their developmental need. If a student needed no developmental courses, that's group 0. If a student needed Math 095, Math 096, and English 099, that's group 3. 27% of those with 0 developmental need graduated in 3 years, while only 4% of those with 6 or more courses needed graduated by then. Why?
The first theory we proposed was that these students drop out early.
According to this theory, students with poor academic preparation are also poorly prepared to stay in school because of challenges in their personal lives, lack of support systems, or faulty problem-solving skills.
Students with high developmental needs should drop out faster, not counting those who graduate as dropout.
Well, not really.
This graph shows a declining number of students either attending or graduating, but the rates are very similar, especially in the early semesters, with only the zero-need students a little more highly retained towards the end.
So developmental need does not predict speed of dropping out.
Our second theory is that they are bad students.
Poor preparation should mean that students do not do well in degree credit courses.
Low GPA means that students get discouraged and do not qualify for graduation.
Again, not really.
This is a graph of average semester GPA by developmental need. Look at the last semester, for example. The zero-need people are slightly above 2.5. The others are at or slightly below. Those needing 1, the red line, have a lower GPA than the ones who needed more.
Developmental need does not equal low GPA.
Theory 3. Developmental students are unable to take degree courses.
The more developmental courses a student must take, the fewer degree courses a student can fit into a schedule. Credit accumulation is slow.
Correct. Time is the enemy.
In this chart, we see that students with no developmental need have earned sufficient credits each semester to sum to nearly 60 credits in 3 years, while those needing 6 or more courses have not earned 40, a spread of 20 earned credits.
And this difference began in the first semester with a spread of 8 credits.
Although students with higher developmental need do not drop out at a faster rate than low developmental need students, they must spend more time getting to a degree.
Same dropout rate plus more time to make progress equals fewer students making it to graduation.
Every semester, 10 to 15% of our students face a crisis that causes them to leave college, whether or not they are prepared for college-level work.
Time really is the enemy.